Hi, welcome to our channel Jobilla. Today we are going to discuss the jobs present in Kuwait city Ahmadi. Reputed company advertised different jobs in Kuwait. Before discuss the jobs of the advertisement, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button, and also share with others much more and more. So first position is wireline field service manager. Second one is PCP operation coordinator. Next is PCP field engineer, PCP technician. Next is HSE engineer. Next is HSE officer, coil tubing supervisor, coil tubing operator, pump operator, nitrogen operator, silk line operation manager, procurement manager, operation coordinator. These are the positions present in Kuwait, Ahmadi city. To apply for these positions, please send your resume to recruitment.charles@gmail.com and also mention your position title in subject line. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these positions. Thank you.